Hi, David Odell with Odell Complete Concrete. Here we are on the same project as the previous video, but now we're focusing on the actual jacuzzi pad area. It's behind the pool here. It's going to be approximately 10 by 10 and it's going to be raised a little step off of that pool deck. So right now we're just going to drill a couple tap cons into the existing pool deck and then stand up a 2x4 on top of that, fasten the two together, and now we have 5-inch raised. Look, couple little kickers on it just so it doesn't twist over when the concrete hits it. I came around here with my little skid steer to move some of this dirt out of here already, so it's real close. In any case, what I'll do if it's over X'd, I'll just pour it deep because I don't want to throw any loose fill onto a native undisturbed. So we just pour deep in that case. As you can see there, we're deep along the nose here. So I just ripped some boards to put underneath so we have a nice smooth side all the way down. A project this size is a great DIY because in this case I've got a lot of guys here because we're pouring all the way around this house simultaneously, but I can do this myself, basically a 10 by 10. A lot of people could actually. And the way you would do it is set it up just like I've got it with the 2x4s, get rid of the dirt, excess dirt. Once you get it graded out and your form set, you call your local concrete provider and you ask them to provide you with the amount of concrete, and you can just tell them the size it is if you don't want to figure the quantity of the concrete. Just give them the sizes, width, length, and depth. They'll tell you how much concrete you need. Then if you need a pumper, they can arrange that as well. So you have you have to deal with one person basically that arranges the whole package. Pump comes out, concrete, one check for everybody, and it makes it real easy for one guy to lay it down when you have someone pumping it. Now if you were mixing it by hand, then you had to wheelbarrow it in and shovel it around and rod it. That would be a little more challenging. So that's a 12-foot aluminum 2x4 there. We ran the walking edger after the bowl float. Then we went with the funny trowel, a pass with the hand trowel, and 50% horsehair, 50% nylon broom texture. Also, we stripped that front face just so we could smooth it out. This is the next day after we've already stripped. Now that's ready to set the jacuzzi on. All you have to do now is run the electrical around the outside of that pool deck, pop it up there, some 220, and boom, plug it in. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a good day.